guys, I'm Brianna MUA. I'm back again with another video. I know I'm looking bummish right now. I've already done my eye makeup. What did I just do with my lashes, y'all? If you are new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. You are going to love it. So go ahead and join the ride. It is free, only takes a few seconds, and hit that bell while you're at it so you never miss a beat. If you aren't new and you're returning, thank you guys so much. Just wanted to come to you guys today with the new, sort of new, Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage, Full Coverage Maybelline New York 24-Hour Foundation. This is like the next level of the Maybelline Fit Me. I am in the shade 355. I did notice they don't have a lot of shades in this one. I got it from my local Walmart for $9 and something, I believe. So like $10 and something. I am used to the Maybelline Fit Me. I needed some more actually in the shade 355, but they didn't have any. And I've been wanting to try this out, so I did go ahead and pick it up. So I'm about to do my first impressions on this. I actually have used it on clients, so it is used, and I liked it on them so far, but I don't know how the wear is, of course. I also need to get some more primer because I am out. But anyways, I've been using the Smashbox Photo Finish Iconic Primer Stick. I think somebody asked me what this was in one of my last videos, but it is similar to the Milk Blur Stick. Elf has one, but they don't have it in stores. You have to order it. I am going to probably go ahead and order it though. It's only $8. This one is $30, I believe. But yeah, it pretty much blurs out your pores. I don't have large pores, but it is still a good primer in general. And I just put it wherever I tend to get oily. And I don't have oily skin, but I do notice that, of course, after just my normal wear, I do tend to get a little oily, and that could be because of the product. But anyway, so yeah, I did like the fact that it is the similar look to the regular Maybelline Fit Me. The bottle seems to be about the same size, maybe a little bit bigger actually. It's a little bit taller, so you do probably get a little bit more for your money. Let's compare. Let's see. Y'all, I'm blind as a bat. Oh, it's actually the same amount. It's just a taller, sleeker, more sleek bottle. It's 1 4 ounce, 30 milliliters. And this one is 1 4 ounce. They're the same. They just have a white top, and then they have the pump. I love, love, love the fact that it has a pump. So I'm just going to squirt a few pumps out. And y'all, I'm using natural lighting in my video, but it's like 5 o'clock, so you do notice that the sun is going down. There aren't any clouds, so yeah, that is so crazy how the world works. So I'm just gonna go around. I already color corrected my mouth area. I'm just going in. And to be honest, it actually looks similar, but then again, it looks a little bit different as far as the color goes. I always get the matte and poreless foundation, the Maybelline Fit Me. They do have the dewy smooth. I don't like that. It really doesn't look like my color. Looks like it has a different undertone. So yeah. I'm not a fan of that dewy look, but it is gorgeous on some people. I might actually do a makeup look with the dewy look. And how are you guys loving the eyes with this cut crease action? Semi-cut crease. I've been liking the way I've been applying my makeup lately. I do foundation first. Y'all, this is gorgeous. I love it. Full coverage foundation is my favorite. And this actually is really, really good. Like, it looks so good. You can wear it alone like this. Put you on some lip gloss or something. But y'all know I'm about to go in and highlight and contour. But yeah, I got a late start. Usually on Sundays, Saturdays are my busiest days as far as clientele. So, as usual, I was busy. And then Sundays, I have at least 1 to 2 people. At least 1. But today I had like 5 clients. So I'm kind of getting a late start on my day. And then I have my 2 little divas. So they give me a run for my money. So we getting a late start for the day. I had them straighten up their room. Keyword straighten. If y'all have kids, you already know. They don't want to, they love to mess up, but they don't want to clean up. But they'll be cleaning up tonight before they go to bed. But yeah, so I'm just using the LA Girl Pro Concealer. And this actually, y'all, really pairs really well with this foundation. It's so creamy, like it just blends in perfect. And this is a Royal and Lang's. I got makeup on it. I got this brush from Walmart. It came in a set. They're similar to the Real Techniques brushes, and those are good brushes as well. So, but I do like the Beauty Blender as well. But lately I've just been using the brush to buff out my concealer for my highlight. And then I'm just blending that out so it can be seamless. And this is actually working out pretty well. Very, very pretty. So yeah, the goal here is to see how long it lasts. Like I said, it is 5 o'clock where I am in Georgia. It's 5 p.m. so Eastern Standard Time. And I am going to wear this. It says 24 hours, so I guess I probably should have put it on. I mean, who the hell wears their foundation for 24 hours? But, because I was just about to say, maybe I should have got up at 5 o'clock. But if this gives me some good all day wear, there will be some bomb ass foundation. But yeah, so we're going to see how this is. Oh my god, y'all, you know what, I actually did the Tarte, I'm gonna insert a clip, the Tarte thingies under my eyes, the pack your bags, and I see a freaking difference. OMG, I'm wondering, like, this looks so good. Sorry for my language. This looks so good. Usually I'm already like creasing under there after I put my concealer on, but I'm not creasing. And I'm just lightly using my Sacha Buttercup setting powder. I like to do an even layer with this because to me, if you don't, it gets patchy and hard to wipe away. So I just do it really thin. This is beautiful though. I know I had the wrong pressed powder in my hand. I'm like, OMG. To look beautiful. Well, don't get me wrong, I feel beautiful anyways, but I just feel like thebomb.com, honey, when I slay this face and put on clothes. Sometimes sometimes it just makes you feel good. Like people just, I don't understand, people just feel like you don't like your appearance or you're not happy with yourself because you like to dress up and put on makeup. No, that's not the case. I actually love myself. And I love it even more when I put on my lovely beat face. So yeah. At the end of the day, it's not about what anybody else thinks. It's about how you feel and what you think. So do what makes you happy. Excuse me. I'm going to clean up that contour. Let that sit just for a hot second. My Artist Couture in Conceited. I really don't want to use it because it's a little gritty. I love it though. It's very pretty. I just would really love to use my new MAC. I forgot what it's called, but and just to add some highlight in my on my brow bone. I can't even think straight before this sun decides to hide again. Ooh, yes ma'am. Look at that. This is a MAC eyeshadow I picked up from MAC, from Belk, Stylishly Mary. It's from the holiday collection, the Extra Dimension eyeshadow, and it is the bomb. Zizat Calm. So yeah, this is the completed makeup look. I'm really digging this foundation, you guys. So I would say go ahead and pick it up, but I'm going to come back in a few hours and let you know my final results on it. So thank you guys so much, and I'll see you in a few.
Bye. I love you, Maybelline.
Okay, you guys, it is now 10:02. About 5 hours later. Remember I was saying it was 5 o'clock when I tried on the foundation. This is 5 hours later. I haven't touched it up or anything like that. It still looks flawless, as you can see. I may put it on tomorrow and do like a get ready with me look or something like that after I drop my girls off at school, so you can actually see a longer period of time as far as how long the foundation wears. But overall, I really am impressed with Maybelline. Like I said, I already like their Fit Me formula, so this Superstay is actually a plus. So I do recommend you beauties to go out and purchase it. It's very affordable, $10 and some change. So again, if you'd like to see more from me, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment below. Give the video a thumbs up. And also hit the bell so you never miss a beat. Thank you guys.